Are you looking for a traditional cream-based clam chowder recipe? This chowder, named My Best Clam Chowder by Pioneer Girl, the All Recipes contributor, is a delicious, traditional cream-based chowder. This recipe calls for the standard chowder ingredients: onions, celery, potatoes, diced carrots, clams, and cream. She continues, a little red wine vinegar is added before serving for extra flavor. Sounds like a tasty recipe. Let's get started. First, open 3 6.5-ounce cans of minced clams. Set a strainer over a small bowl and strain the clams, reserving the broth. You'll need both broth and clams for this recipe. Dice 1 onion. You're looking for about a cup. Next, dice about half a cup of celery. 2 stalks should be good. And next, dice 2 medium carrots. Again, looking for a cup. And last, dice 3 medium potatoes. You're looking for 2 cups. In a large skillet over medium heat, add the onion, celery, and carrots. Add the potatoes. Now, add the clam juice you reserved from the 3 cans of minced clams. Then, add enough water to cover the vegetables and cook the vegetables until they're tender. While the vegetables cook, place a large, heavy saucepan over medium heat and melt 3/4 cup of butter. When the butter is melted, whisk in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and whisk it until the mixture is smooth, making a roux. Now, add in 1 quart of half and half, slowly at first, whisking it constantly until the mixture is thick and smooth. Add the cooked vegetables when they're tender, along with the broth. Stir it to combine and heat everything through, but don't let it boil. Next, stir in the minced clams. Keep an eye on the clams. You want them to get hot, but they will become tough if they're overcooked. Now some final ingredients: 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and some ground black pepper to taste. Stir the chowder until the flavors are completely mixed. The best clam chowder recipe is ready to serve. Serve the chowder with traditional oyster crackers.